How I made my slow-cooked beef brisket. In my slow cooker, I added 1.5 kg of beef brisket, 30 grams of taco seasoning, 120 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chipotle paste, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 80 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, 4 crushed garlic cloves, 300 milliliters of beef stock, and salt and pepper to taste. Ingredients in the captions. I then cook this on low heat for 8 hours. And that gives me plenty of time to prep the homemade salsa and the pilau, lime and coriander rice, which by the way, I've never attempted pilau rice before. 8 hours later, and I'm ready to pour the beef. I separated the beef from the marinade because I wanted to save this for use later on. Using 2 forks, I poured the beef brisket into strips, ready for the tacos for dinner. This pulled apart so easily. It was so moist. So I want to thicken up the juice from the slow cooked beef. So I'm going to make a roux to thicken it up. I'm going to melt a knob of butter in the microwave for about 10 seconds. I'm going to add a tablespoon of plain flour-ish. Mix that together. You get a roux that looks like this, and you just add it to the juice and it should thicken up lovely. The beef was then added to this to warm it up, ready to serve up for dinner. Can I just say that pilau, lime and coriander rice is the best I've ever made. I'm never going back to plain boiled rice again. We had a take what you want, leave what you don't kind of dinner, so I had mine with corn on the cob. It was at this point I realised the oven-baked tortillas were too big to use as tacos. I topped mine with homemade salsa, guacamole, sour cream and some lettuce. Everybody rated this the best meal I've cooked in a long time, and I agree, it was delicious.